Hey, what's up guys? It's Doodle Clubhouse, and today we're going to draw Motsuki. So we're going to start with a U shape, and then we're going to connect it at the top with a jagged line. We're going to draw a curved line, and then connect each end of the curved line. Then we're going to draw some lines around each eye, and a shape like this around the left eye. There's going to be 2 circles in each eye, and then a little boat shape for the mouth. It's like the shape of a rowboat. Then we're going to add some antennas. And now we're just drawing the neck. For the body, we're going to do a U shape, so fairly simple. There we go. And then for the leg, we're going to draw one line down with a bend in it, and then one line up with a bend in it. We're going to do that for both legs. For the arm, we're going to draw one line going out, and then it's going to come back towards the body and go down just a touch. Then there's going to be a curved line connecting from that bent line to the body, and a little triangle shape on the inside. Then we're going to draw the arm above it. So one line going out, and then going up, bending up, and then his hand's going to bend down a little bit again. And then you just follow that line back to the body. Then we're just going to also add his thumb, and we're also going to make another finger that you can see. Then you just do the same on the other side. It's going to be a line going out and then back towards the body with a triangle on the inside, and then a curvy line for the hand. And then we're just going to draw the arm above it. One line going towards the edge of the page. Then it's going to bend up, and then it's going to bend again, and then it's going to bend up again. And then you just follow that line back, and you have your arm. Then you can draw a thumb on that hand as well. And then we just have to draw Motsuki's wings, and there's going to be 4 wings, 4 nice round wings in the background. And then once we have the wings, we can finally start coloring it.